Hello everyone, my name is Deborah Cumberledge and I'm the Youth Outreach Specialist with the Adams County Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to be talking about chickens today. Do you like chickens? Well, in the story we're going to read, there is a chicken who is scared. The sky is falling. Is that crazy or what? This story is a retelling of the tale, Chicken Little. So we're going to head and get started. Our book today is called Chicken Little, a cautionary tale, and it was published in 2014 by Flowerpot Press. This book was retold by George Bridge and illustrated by Bea Moritz. Chicken Little. One day, a few years ago, Chicken Little caused quite a panic. This is what happened. Chicken Little was leaving for school on a sunny, happy morning when an acorn fell from a tree and landed on his head. Panic! Chicken Little got scared. The sky is falling, he thought. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little screamed as he ran. Henny Penny was walking to school when she heard the news. Panic! She was really scared, so she ran with her friend. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little and Henny Penny screamed as they ran. Turkey Lurkey was waiting for the school bus when he heard the news. Panic! He was really scared, so he ran with his friends. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey screamed as they ran. Dizzy Ducky was skateboarding to school when she heard the news. Panic! She was really scared, so she ran with her friends. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey and Dizzy Ducky screamed as they ran. Foxy Loxy was sitting outside his cave feeling hungry when he heard the news. He wasn't scared, but he was hungry. Run in here! Run in here! He screamed. And that is just what the friends did. Is that a good idea? No. Now I've got you! Feed me! Shouted Foxy Loxy as he slammed the door. Stuck inside the cave, the friends began to think. Then they began to talk. Then they started to figure out what had started the panic. Then they felt silly. We need to get out of here, said Chicken Little. Now, instead of being scared, Chicken Little felt brave. All of his friends followed Chicken Little as he snuck out of the cave and into the sunshine. Then they ran off to school. Life is good! Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey and Dizzy Ducky screamed as they ran. And from that day forward, Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey and Dizzy Ducky did not get scared so easily. They did not panic. They knew that being brave and staying cool was way more fun. The end. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that story. Now we're going to do a little counting rhyme. So you need both your hands. Hold your hands up. This is called 10 Little Chicks. There's some motions, so just follow along with me and we'll run it through twice. Okay? 10 little chicks. 5 eggs and 5 eggs. That makes 10. Sitting on top is the mother hen. Crack, crack, crack. What do I see? 10 little chicks as cute as can be. Good job. One more time. 5 eggs and 5 eggs. That makes 10. Sitting on top is the mother hen. Crack, crack, crack. What do I see? 10 little chicks as cute as can be. Great job, guys. Thank you so much. There's going to be a couple links down below for things you can do at home. There's going to be a link for a craft that you can do. You can make the life cycle of a chicken. There's also going to be a link for a science experiment that you can try. Can you make an egg float? See if you can. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Please stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye.